Welcome back to your channel Beyond the Briefcase. So, today I'm here with a new video that will talk about the Right to Information Act 2005. So basically, the Right to Information Act has empowered the Indian citizens to seek information from any of the public authorities that has promoted in itself transparency, good governance, and accountability on the part of the public authorities. There are certain key provisions in the Act that I would like to discuss with you. These are the right to information, which is discussed in Section 2, Clause J of the Act, and says that citizens can request information from any public authority. And now the word public authority comes into discussion, which is defined in the Section 2, Clause H to include bodies owned, controlled, subsidized by the government. Information has been defined under Section 2F, which includes records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, etc. There is a procedure also prescribed to ask for information from the government authorities. It is to submit a written application with prescribed fees, and information must be provided by the government authorities within 30 days, and 48 hours would be the case when it is related to certain life or death cases. There are certain exceptions also stated in the sections 8 and 9, which say that national security, privacy, intellectual property would be certain exceptions to the right to information that the Indian citizens have, and partial disclosure would be allowed in such cases if information is severable. Then there is also a provision for appeals. Yes, there is a provision for first appeal to the first appellate authority and second appeal to the Central State Information Committee. So, with this, we come forward to the role of information commissions. These could be CIC and SIC. CIC is basically a Central Information Commission, and SIC are State Information Commissions that oversee implementation of this Act, and their powers include imposing penalties, recommending disciplinary actions, and issuing directions. The impact of this act is already, like I discussed, has increased transparency, empowered the citizens to make or hold the government accountable, and this has also increased judicial activism because courts have expanded the scope of RTI in several judgments. There are, however, certain challenges as well, there are delays and the information is not provided within stipulated time, misuse, and awareness is still missing between the citizens. So, this is all about the RTI Act. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.